Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel. We got all the craziest moments caught on driver's dashcam from all over the world, and this episode is going to be packed with them. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes, so make sure to pay close attention and hopefully learn something. Without any further ado, grab your snack, sit back and enjoy in this one. In our first video, we have a really confused truck driver who forgot which side of the road he's supposed to drive on. Camer almost became a victim of a self-entitled driver on the road who wanted to race. Some of these drivers think they can block the road for their own amusement. And all I can say is that we definitely need a karma cop here.
Baby, stop!
I'm not the one coming into me.
What is he? What the? What is wrong with him? Oh, they're competing.
In this video, you can see pedestrians who have the right to cross, but some self-entitled drivers don't care about them and they keep moving on without bothering to stop for them. Whenever you get distracted while driving, you can already count that you're responsible for an accident even before it happened. This is exactly what happened here. Driver that was behind the camera had his eyes everywhere except on the road, and this is gonna cost him. Fire engine workers had their lights on as they were responding to a call. In your normal circumstances, other drivers would move away and let them through, but not this crazy guy here. He pulled out in front of a fire engine vehicle and dangerously cut them off. A reckless driver is about to squeeze his way in between two vehicles, nearly causing a mass crash on the road. A driver behind the learner was running low on patience and he broke the speed limit here, dangerously passed him, and he set up a really bad example on how to behave in traffic. A family that was on their way to church was T-boned by another driver who ran a red light. Luckily, no one got injured in this situation and the police officer was in a turn lane of the cross street and he reacted immediately. With this clip we conclude another episode on Comet on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something as well. Make sure to leave a like because it helps this channel a lot. While you're there, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Thank you for all your support and we will be seeing each other soon in the next one.